In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Salesforce Lightning record pages. Salesforce Lightning is a powerful tool that allows you to customize your CRM experience to meet your specific needs. Editing record pages can help you streamline processes and present information to your team in the most effective way possible. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to tailor these pages to better fit your organizational requirements. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner of the dashboard and click on the gear icon. This will open a menu, and from there you should select Advanced Setup. This is your gateway to accessing all the configuration options Salesforce has to offer. Once you've entered the setup area, a very handy tool called the Quick Find box will appear on your left. In this box, type Object Manager, and you'll see an option become available. Go ahead and select Object Manager. This is where you'll find all your Salesforce objects, each representing different types of data you might be working with, such as accounts, contacts, or any custom objects you've set up. Now let's find the object for which you want to edit the record page. For illustration purposes, let's select Account, but feel free to choose whatever object you need. Having selected the object, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Lightning Record Pages. This section holds all the record pages associated with your chosen object. Among the list of record pages, find the page you want to edit and click on it to bring up your editing options. Next, click the Edit button to open the Lightning App Builder. This is where the real customization begins. In the Lightning App Builder, you'll find a workspace filled with various components, each serving a unique function such as displaying data, interacting with user inputs, or integrating with other systems. You can reorganize these components by simply dragging and dropping them into your preferred layout. Feel free to experiment. This is the space where you can truly mold the page to suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with your design, remember to save your work. Click the Save button, ensuring all your changes are safely recorded. Finally, let's activate your page. By clicking on the Activation button, you'll be given several options for setting how and for whom this page will be displayed. You can assign it as the default page for your entire organization, or you might prefer to apply it only to specific apps, record types, or user profiles. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Congratulations, you've successfully edited a Salesforce Lightning record page. With these skills, you can ensure that your Salesforce interface is as efficient and user-friendly as possible, helping you to better manage your team's data needs. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.